Let me paint you a picture. It's the 18th of the month, you open your banking app, and something is very wrong. You didn't do anything crazy, no wild weekend, no big purchase you regret. You just lived, bought food, paid for rides, sent a few transfers, normal stuff. And somehow, your balance is nearly gone. You scroll through your transactions trying to figure it out. $47 here, $23 there, $18 for something you don't even remember. $12, $31, $9 twice in one afternoon. Each one on its own, fine. Together, they've quietly wiped you out before the month is even halfway done. This isn't about making big mistakes. Nobody needs to talk to you about buying things you can't afford. This is about the small stuff, the 100 little spending decisions you barely notice, slowly draining your account every single month. And here's the hard truth. Willpower won't fix this. If willpower was going to work, it would have worked already. What actually fixes it is habits. Small, automatic things that make spending harder and saving easier, without making your life feel like a punishment. Here are 15 of them. Number 1. Delete every shopping app from your phone. Your wallet isn't the most dangerous place your money lives. Your home screen is. Shopping apps are not built for your convenience. They're built to make you spend before you think. One-click buying, saved card details, push notifications, only 3 left. Every single feature is designed to shrink the gap between wanting something and buying it. And you're carrying these apps around 24 hours a day. Delete them. All of them. Amazon, ASOS, food delivery apps, fashion apps, whatever's sitting quietly on your phone. If you actually need to order something, use the browser, log in manually, type your card details yourself. That little bit of extra effort, that's not annoying. That's your money staying put. Number 2, unsubscribe from every promo email. You know these emails. Flash sale, end tonight. Your items are selling fast. We miss you. Here's 20% off. These aren't helpful updates. They're designed to make you want things you weren't thinking about before you opened them. You were fine. You opened an email. Now suddenly you're considering a purchase. The average person gets over 100 of these every single week. Each one is a small push towards spending. Spend 30 minutes this week on subscribing from everything. There are tools like unroll.me that help you do it fast. Once the emails stop, the wanting stops too, because most of it wasn't real desire. It was just exposure. Cut the exposure, cut the spending. Number 3, never shop when you're emotional. Bored? People start browsing. Stressed? Retail therapy. Had a good week? Time to treat yourself. Feeling low? Comfort buy. Strong feelings, good or bad, mess with your financial judgment. They make spending feel more reasonable than it is. I deserve this is almost never said from a calm and clear place. Before any non-essential purchase, just pause and check in with yourself. How are you feeling right now? If the honest answer is anything other than calm and unbothered, wait. Deal with the feeling first. The item isn't going anywhere. This one habit alone could save you more money than all the others. Number 4, make yourself wait before buying anything non-essential. Impulse buying works like this. You see something, desire spikes immediately, then fades. Retailers know this. That's why everything has a countdown timer or a limited stock warning. They are racing against the moment your brain catches up. So create a gap. Under $50, wait 24 hours. $50 to $200, wait 3 days. Over $200, wait a full week. Don't add it to your cart. Write it on a list instead. What it is, what it costs, why you want it. When the time is up, look at the list again. You'll be surprised how many things you don't even care about anymore. The impulse just died on its own. No effort needed. Number 5, check your balance every single morning. Not to stress yourself out, just to know where you stand. Most people only check their account when something feels off, which means most spending decisions happen with zero real awareness of their financial situation. You are basically guessing all month. Fix it simply. Every morning, before you open social media or check messages, open your banking app. Look at the number. See if it went up or down from yesterday. That's all. When you know your actual balance, your spending decisions change. The money starts to feel real. You stop treating it like it's abstract and start treating it like it's yours, because it is. Number 6, write down every purchase for 1 month. Not forever, just once. 30 days. Every coffee, every food order, every subscription, every random small purchase. Write it down, amount, what it was, why you bought it if you can remember. At the end of the month, go through the whole list. You'll see things that shock you. Categories where you're spending way more than you thought, moments where emotions clearly triggered spending, purchases you've already forgotten completely. And here's the thing. Once you see the pattern, you can't unsee it. Even after you stop tracking, the awareness stays. That's more powerful than any budget rule. Number 8, audit your subscriptions every month. This one always surprises people. Go through your bank statement and write down every single recurring charge, every streaming service, every app, every automatic renewal. Add it all up. Most people are spending $50 to $100 more than they think, sometimes a lot more. For each one, ask yourself honestly, if I wasn't already subscribed, would I pay for this today? If the answer is no, cancel it right now, not later. That show you keep meaning to watch, that app you used 2 times, that gym membership, gone. Subscriptions are built to be forgotten, small enough not to hurt, easy to ignore. They pile up quietly until they're eating a real chunk of your money every month. Number 8, keep your money in separate accounts. When everything sits in one account, every dollar feels like it's available for everything. Your rent money and your let me just grab something to eat money look exactly the same. That's how people accidentally spend money that was already meant for something else. Split it up. At minimum, 3 accounts. 1, bills account, rent, utilities, fixed costs. 2, spending account, money you can actually use freely. 3, savings account. Don't touch it unless it's the goal you saved for. Set up automatic transfers on payday so the money moves before you even see it. Whatever is left in your spending account is truly yours. No mental math, no guilt. The system does the work. You don't have to. Number 9, use cash for your biggest spending categories. Old school still works. When you hand over physical cash, your brain actually registers it as a loss in a way that tapping a card doesn't. Studies show people consistently spend 15 to 20% more when paying digitally versus cash. That's not a small difference. Pick your biggest discretionary categories, eating out, leisure, shopping, and withdraw a set cash amount for those each week. When it's gone until next week. Watching cash physically leave your hand hits differently. Use that. Number 10, make a list before every shopping trip and stick to it. Shops are not neutral spaces. They are designed, every shelf, every display, every sample, to get you to buy things you didn't come in for. Going in without a list is going in unprepared. Before any shopping trip, write down exactly what you need. Be specific, not food. Write eggs, bread, tomatoes, chicken. Look over it once, then commit. That's what you are buying. If you see something you want that's not on the list, write it down for later. Apply the waiting period. Most of the time, you'll forget about it before your next trip. Number 11, calculate cost per use before big purchases. This one will flip how you think about cheap versus expensive. Take the price of something, estimate how many times you'll realistically use it, divide. That's your cost per use. A $60 top you wear 3 times equals $20 per use. A $180 top you wear 90 times equals $2 per use. The cheaper option costs you 10 times more. A lot of cheap, impulsive buys turn out to be the most expensive things you own when you do this math, and a lot of things you talked yourself out of because of the price were actually worth it. Run the numbers, it changes what you buy. Number 12. Sleep on any purchase over $100. Simple rule, no exceptions. Nothing over $100 gets bought the same day. Sleep genuinely changes how you make decisions. Things that feel urgent at night feel different in the morning. The emotional charge around wanting something fades after rest, not in a wishy-washy way, but actually, chemically, in your brain. The thing that was obviously worth it at 10 p.m., check how you feel about it at 8 a.m. If you still want it, buy it. That's a real decision. But you'd be surprised how often the morning answer is actually no. Number 13. One in, one out. Every time you bring a new physical item into your home, one similar item leaves. New shoes, don't donate or sell an old pair. New kitchen thing, an existing one goes. New clothes, pick one to let go of. Knowing you have to remove something before you can add something makes buying feel more costly. It also forces you to ask, is this actually better than what I already have? And when you're staring at 30 shirts trying to decide which one to remove before buying number 31, the new shirt suddenly seems a lot less necessary. Number 14. Deliberately make spending harder. You deleted the apps and unsubscribed from emails. That removed easy spending. Now go further. Actively add friction to wherever your money escapes most easily. Remove saved payment details so you have to type your card every time. Log out of shopping accounts so you have to log in before buying. Use site blockers during your highest risk hours. Every extra step is a moment to reconsider. Enter the card number, expiry date, CVV, billing address. By the time you've done all that, a lot of impulses are already dead. Big companies spend billions making it easy to spend your money. Adding a few steps back levels the field. Number 15. Make your savings progress visible. Spending gives you something immediate to see. A new item, a new experience. Saving gives you nothing visible in the moment. That's why spending feels rewarding and not spending feels like deprivation. Fix this by making your progress visible. A savings tracker on your wall, a progress bar in a spreadsheet, a chart showing your net worth growing over time, anything that shows you real, visible proof that things are moving in the right direction. Every time you resist buying something unnecessary, move that money to your goal and update the tracker. The $47 you didn't spend becomes $47 closer to whatever actually matters to you, and you can see it. That slow, steady progress eventually becomes more satisfying than any impulse buy ever was. Look, you just watched this entire video. That already puts you ahead of most people. But here's where it usually falls apart. People watch, they nod, they recognize themselves in every single habit. They think, okay, I really need to do this. And then they close the tab and nothing changes. The apps stay on the phone, the emails keep coming, the account keeps bleeding. Don't be that person. You don't need a perfect plan. You don't need to overhaul your entire life this week. Pick 3 habits from this video, the 3 that hit closest to home, and start today. Not Monday, not next month, today. Delete 1 app right now, unsubscribe to 10 emails tonight, open your banking app tomorrow morning before you open anything else. Small moves, real results. That's how this works. And listen, if this video helped you, do me a favor and smash that like button. It genuinely helps more people find this content. And if you're not subscribed yet, what are you doing? Hit subscribe. I put out videos like this regularly and you don't want to miss them. Drop a comment too. Tell me which habit you're starting with. I actually read them. I'll see you in the next one.